Sawadika! Welcome to some Thai cooking. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today I'm gonna cook deep fried fish with 3 flavor. Very easy recipe. You can find all ingredients in our local supermarket. And this food you can find in Thai restaurant or local in our on the street night market. And very easy to cook. And look, today I got baramadi. Very big. And we just start to cook. The ingredient for deep fried fish with 3 flavor. I got cornflour, chilli, onion, garlic, palm sugar, baramadi. You can use any fish, capsicum, tamarind juice, fish sauce, salt, black pepper, and the oyster sauce, and the oil. How to cut the fish for small piece? Just slowly slide the meat out from the bone and just cut small piece both sides. We do the same thing. This one I got baramadi quite big and it really take time to do it. But you really be careful, can slide on your finger and just easy to do it the way we gonna dip in the oil. And now we just cut to the small piece and we're gonna mix with the cornflour and just add the cornflour over the fish and the black pepper also and the salt, some of sauce. I gonna write on my video the link under the video for exactly amount and you can check it out. Just the cornflour, just sprinkle everywhere. This will make it crispy, crunchy. The fish dips in the oil, absolutely delicious. The trick I would like to share to you how I can make the fish to be circle. I got the stick. Just add in here. We go to like this. Like this. We just start to deep fry the fish. Just add the oil in. I add really a lot. We have to make sure it's covered the fish, and they get quite high. The heat is, and when the oil is hot, we just add the fish in and cook until it's a brown. And the fish is halfway to cook. And all the fish are finished. And next step, we're gonna put all the fish in the oil and also for decoration. Just the way I'm cooking. You have to be careful, slightly turn to the side and with the stick so the fish to be circled. It's just easy to cook. You guys can do it. And now we prepare the sauce. I got capsicum, the one I cut it, and the onion also. Just add any garlic, whatever you want. Garlic. If really too spicy, you just add 1 or 2 chilli and as garlic. 2 tablespoons. Until cooking. Until everything is brown. Palm sugar in. Gonna melt anyway. Soy sauce in. Oyster sauce, about 2 tablespoons. I will write exactly amount under my video. And salt. 1 tablespoon of tamarind sauce, 2 tablespoons of the sauce, cook until they're really thick like this. You add capsicum in, and our sauce will be ready. Our fish ready to serve. Sauce is look, fish fry with tea flavor done already. Look at this, so amazing. Can't wait to eat it. So smells so beautiful. Gonna try some with the sauce. I did with the sauce. Wow, so beautiful. I'm going to try some of veggie. Capsicum. Absolutely delicious. You can try at home and easy to cook. And all ingredients you can find all our local supermarket. And see you next clip. Thank you for watching my video. ขอบคุณค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ